takeaway is to do your research before buying a gadget. But in this video, I have done the research for you and listed 10 ridiculously cool tech gifts and gadgets from Amazon that you can buy online. Number 1. Pens for touch screens. 3 pieces from StylusHome. 2 different sizes rubber tips provide smooth drawing and sensitivity writing experience on touch screens, convenient for click and browse on your screen devices. It is suitable for capacitive touch screen and it can protect your screen from scratching and keep no fingerprints. Compatible with all capacitive touch screen devices. These stylus pens, both 2 ends rubber tips, are replaceable. Replacing can be done within seconds without tool. 6 extra replacement fiber tips included, 3 small rubber tips and 3 large ones. Number 2. Digital microscope from Hayve. More microscopic world. Due to 1000x magnification, Hayve wireless digital microscope allows you to see a more microscopic world, such as error coins and burn components on circuit boards. 2-in-1 portable design. Hayve coin microscope monomer is made of alloy materia, making it as light as a feather. You can take this microscope to everywhere you want. The liftable alloy stand design allows you to achieve easy height adjustment. USB connection for PC. Hayve USB microscope. For Windows 10, you can directly plug into the USB port and search camera in Windows to find it and click on. Best gift for kids and adult. Hayve soldering microscope is very suitable for circuit board inspection, coins, jewelry, and stamps, watch and clock repair, skin detection, kids education inspection, textile industrial. So it is definitely a very interesting thing for kids and adults. Number 3. 8BitDo SN30 Pro Bluetooth Controller. Compatible with Switch, PC, Mac OS and Android. Fully featured controller, clickable joysticks, rumble vibration, motion controls, wireless Bluetooth, rechargeable battery, home and screenshot buttons and a USB-C connector. Perfect classic D-pad. Number 4. Cell phone stand with 2 viewing angles from MOFT. Weighing near 1 ounce, 5 millimeters thin, it adds no bulk to your phone. It is more than a 2 orientation phone stand, it's also a 3-card wallet and hand grip. It provides your phone with not only a landscape 45 degrees, but also a portrait 60 degrees. Constructed with vegan and fiberglass material. It can work with MOFT magnetic wall sticker. Number 5. Electric portable air pump from GIGA Pump. It is the most compact pump in the world, as small as a key, with its ultra-compact design of air pump, vacuum pump and lantern 3-in-1. It is suitable for most of the context in your outdoor or household life. Small but powerful. One charge lasts long enough to fast inflate more than 10 single air mattresses, or vacuum more than 20 large vacuum bags, or last up to 10 hours of illumination. It comes with 4 different nozzles to fit most air mattresses, inflatable pool floats, swimming rings, yoga ball and kids' toys. It could work with vacuum bags to store spare comforter and out-of-season clothes. With the vacuum nozzle, it will suck up all the excess air within the vacuum bag quickly. Save you more than 50% space. It has 3 levels of lighting. With up to 10 hours of battery life, it provides you more convenience both in your outdoor and daily life. Number 6. Universal Travel Adapter from Zendure. Travel Essential Adapter. Zendure Passport 2 Pro is an all-in-one world multifunction travel adapter which covers more than 200 countries with US, EU, AU, UK plugs. The 61 watts PD-GON quick charge adapter charges 6 devices at once, solution for your worldwide traveling. Smart fast charging, 5 USB ports, 2 USB Type-C and 3 USB-A. 1 AC outlet to power 6 devices simultaneously with high speed, max power 1000 watt at 100 volts, 2500 watt at 250 volts. Passport 2 Pro supports PD3, QC3, PPS3A, AFC and FCP for fast charging iPhone, iPad, Samsung, Huawei and other smartphone. Half charge an iPhone in just 30 minutes or full charge a Samsung Galaxy in only 1 hour with PPS3A. Full charge MacBook Pro 13-foot in 2 hours. Applicable multiple devices. Compatible with all USB devices like iPhone 13, 12, X8, 7, 6, Samsung S8, S7, Xiaomi Mix 2, Huawei Mate 10, Meizu, laptop, tablet, digital cameras, shaver and so on. Safety and secure, worry-free innovation, 10 ampere auto resetting fuse. Patented 10 ampere auto resetting fuse enables Passport 2 Pro recover from overload up to 6,000 times without service or replacement. Worry-free to use high-power devices. Number 7. Ultra-portable pocket-carrying alcohol tester from BACtrack. Quickly and easily estimate your BAC. Proprietary advanced microcheck sensor technology delivers reliable, accurate BAC results you can trust. Easy to use. One-button operation means you simply power on your Go Keychain breathalyzer and begin testing in seconds. It's that easy. Take it with you anywhere. The ultra-compact BACtrack Go breathalyzer keychain easily fits in a pocket or purse, making it a great portable breathalyzer for any occasion. Optimal breath capture. The innovative fold-out mouthpiece ensures only your breath goes into the alcohol tester, while other airborne pollutants are kept out. Number 8. Indoor garden with LED grow light from AeroGarden. AeroGarden Bounty Basic Hydroponic Garden grows up to 9 of your favorite herbs, veggies, or flowers indoors and year-round, without soil. 30-watt LED grow light gives your plants the full spectrum of light they need to grow quickly, up to 5x faster than in soil. Automatic lighting timer and touchscreen control panel allow for easy upkeep, while vacation mode keeps your plants healthy while you're out of town. Adjustable grow height of 24-inch and has large water bowl and grow deck. Includes the gourmet herb seed pod kit, featuring Genovese basil, 2, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Thai basil, mint, chives, and Italian parsley. Number 9. Portable espresso machine from WACACO. Manual operation only. No battery, electricity need. Compact, lightweight and versatile. You may use any variety of coffee bean, roast, which will give you more flexibility in trying new flavors. Need to add the boiling water. It cannot heat up water. Minipresso GR is your best choice to enjoy up to 50 milliliters of authentic espresso at home, in the office, and on the go. Number 10. Smart Padlock with keyless biometric from MEGAFEIS. Smart holiday gifts. Say goodbye to cumbersome password combinations. You can unlock Smart Padlock with your finger only for a split second. Don't worry about losing key or forgetting password. Long run time. MEGAFEIS Smart Padlocks have lower power consumption and longer standby time. The USB rechargeable lithium battery can support up to 6 months of standby time or 2 months, 2,500 times of unlock in one charge. When out of battery, the smart lock will remain locked. Simply connect to a USB power supply and recover. Rugged construction. The padlock beam is made of stainless steel for excellent tamper resistance. IP65 weatherproof, protects against dust and water. Bluetooth function. Connect smart padlock to free mobile app by Bluetooth. You can use the app to register fingerprints, unlock, set authorized user, check the last 1,000 unlock activities. Lightweight, portable and wide uses. Gym lock, compact size to be carried anywhere you go. MEGAFEIS fingerprint Bluetooth padlock is suitable for both indoor and temporary outdoor use.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.